You guys do service from the sidewalk?
No, I'm just wondering what you're videotaping.
Oh, it's the bank.
For what reason?
I don't have to give you a reason.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I didn't call you.
No, I know that. They called us.
Okay.
They're concerned because you're videotaping people inside the bank.
Okay.
Is there a reason you're doing that?
I have to have a reason.
Say that again?
Do I have to have a reason?
Nope.
All right. Name and badge number?
Officer Birch, 508.
He's scaring our customers.
Oh yeah, what he's doing is a little strange. No doubt about
Yes,
it.
in a bank.
Yeah, I mean,
He's scaring our customers. She was afraid to come out.
I haven't said a
Thank
word.
you.
I
Thank
gotcha.
you.
I got permission.
From who?
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, well, there you go. Not that bad. Yeah, so they were just concerned. Obviously, they have a place of business here that they're trying to run, and when customers are concerned, they're going to call.
All right.
So that's what.
That was quick.
What's that?
You guys came here in record time.
You keeping record?
This is oh, shit. Look at that.
What's up? Yeah, we're all good.
So is my permission good enough?
Well, I mean, we got to talk with the bank. I would imagine that
Yeah.
this is probably still bank.
Can you
property.
ask them why they're recording me? They're scaring me right there. See that?
What? Their camera?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, every bank is camera.
So
Every bank in America.
Alright, guys. This is where the insanity kicks off. The cops roll up instantly, acting like filming a bank from a public sidewalk is some kind of felony. Even after admitting is allowed to record, they push made-up privacy laws to intimidate him. Customers panic, officers escalate, and the tension spikes as they try to bully him into backing down. But this guy stands firm, fully aware of his rights.
the cops on them.
No, but you elected to come here.
Yeah, this is public.
Right, but you came here, right, knowing that there's surveillance cameras. So,
Well, she came here knowing that I'm videotaping too.
well, it wasn't her that was concerned. The lady was already in the bank. Then you showed up.
No. She came out first. I didn't say a word to anybody.
You didn't have to say a word to anybody to make them feel uneasy, right?
Okay.
So they're concerned because you're videotaping people who do not want to be videotaped.
Yeah, but I got permission. You
That's
saw
not
it.
real permission. You need permission for the people you're videotaping.
Oh yeah, what's that law?
You can videotape them out here. You cannot videotape them in there. They have an
Oh, like-
expectation of privacy.
Like this? I
That's
can't do that.
That's correct. So if people don't want to be videotaped inside a private entity, they have the right to do that.
So I can't videotape through the window?
You can't videotape into a private business, no. The same I
Really?
could videotape into your home. That's
Okay.
the same. They have an expectation of privacy.
I think you need to read the law, sir.
Telling you why we're here. That's why they call.
Okay, so I can't point over here.
You should not be videotaping people.
Okay,
inside
what are you gonna do about it if
It's-
I do?
If it's catching footage inside, you can't be doing that.
Oh yeah, it's catching footage, definitely.
All right, then maybe you should stand a little further back.
I'll be on the street.
Maybe back that way.
No, you can't tell me where I stand.
Okay. Well, here's the
Like
thing,
you,
dude.
like, go ahead.
Like, okay, I get it's a public sidewalk. You have a right to be out here.
Okay,
All
they're
right,
recording me
but-
right there.
Okay, you don't got to be here. You don't got to be here.
Okay, I
You
could
are
videotape
elected
right into.
in this
Look at this. I'm gonna zoom right in.
So here's the thing. I
Zooming
get
in.
what you're doing. All right, you're one of these like, First Amendment guys. That's cool,
Mhm.
but here's the thing: you can't expect to not.
Here's where things get wild. The officer begins inventing laws on the spot, claiming you can't film through windows, can't record people, and must get permission from anyone who walks by. The auditor shuts each lie down with calm confidence. The cops argue expectations of privacy that don't even exist in public. Their frustration shows as they try every intimidation tactic possible. But our guy refuses to move an inch.
If I was in there as a customer doing my financial business,
Okay,
I come out here and some weirdo sticking a camera in my face, I'd be a little concerned.
is that why you guys have cameras too? So you can
have
upset
these.
people?
Well, we have these for
Okay, well,
documentation.
it's upsetting me.
purposes. Well,
They're
well,
upsetting
like I
me
said,
too.
You don't got to be here. You don't got to be here.
But I want to be right here.
Okay, like I said, you're elected.
I'm not
to
moving
be-
anywhere, just so you know.
Okay, that's fine.
And I'm going to be
That's fine.
videotaping into the bank. I'm not walking in.
Okay, well, here's the
But
thing.
check this out.
Check it out. I'll check it out. here's the thing. Since you want to be so cool and cooperative,
Mm-hmm.
if I do find out that you violated any laws, I'm gonna show you the inside of the prison.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's your name, badge number?
Azar 487.
All right.
Okay. Just so we're clear, if I find out you're
What do
violating
you mean
any
if
laws,
you find out?
well, you want me to look up the law, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
That's what I'm gonna go
Yeah.
do. Okay. All right. Have fun.
Yeah.
Okay, here's what we got for you.
Did you find out what the law is from the bankers?
Well, here's what we got for you. You're not allowed to go into the business, okay? If you go into the business, you'll be arrested for trespassing.
I already knew that before I came here.
There you go. Now you know.
Do you know what the law is? I could go like this. So did you find out what the fucking law is?
You're a real smart guy, huh?
Yeah.
You know what the law is, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you don't.
You can try
And you're a
clickbait
fucking
as
police
much as you
officer.
want. You can try and clickbait as much as you want. Okay? If you step into the bank, you'll be arrested.
All right.
Okay?
I
Have a good
already knew
day.
that. I already don't tell me fucking
Have a
directives,
good
okay?
day. You have a good
All right.
day.
You know
sir.
what? You
Have
don't
a
know what the law
wonderful
is,
day.
and you tell me, oh, if I find out, I'm gonna fucking put you in jail.
Go pound sand, buddy.
Yeah,
Have
yeah.
a good day.
That's
All
true.
right, dude. Like and subscribe,
Have a
right?
good day.
Like and
Have a good
subscribe.
Hopefully Jesus gives you bond money when you mess up.
Yep. Don't worry, I won't. So he told me I can't record into Windows because he didn't know what the law is.
I told you couldn't zoom into windows when people have an expectation of privacy is what I told you.
Well, I just did zoom into.
And now it gets downright aggressive. One officer threatens prison if he finds out any laws were broken without even knowing what the law is himself. They go back and forth with officers getting more hostile as the auditor keeps exposing their ignorance. The tension breaks when the officer storms off to look up the law only to return with nothing but more ego and empty threats. The walk of shame begins right here.
All day.
Okay. He's doing what he can to try and bait people in so we can. his YouTube
They got a
channel can
camera
go
too,
up to
pointing
5
at me.
people, 10 people.
You guys have cameras, right?
Dude, I mean, listen, man, you could record 24 hours a day. You might go up from 5 subscribers to 10.
All right. I'll show all my 11 subscribers.
Good luck.
All right. Name and badge number.
Dixon 780.
All right. I like the stripes.
Thank you.
Thanks. You're the cool one.
Alright, guys. This final stretch is pure comedy. Officers claim is baiting them while admitting every business records customers nonstop. One officer tries mocking his subscriber count. Another blames expectation of privacy, but none can quote a single real law. This whole encounter proves exactly why filming police is essential. Too many don't know the rules they are paid to enforce. Always record. Always know your rights. And never let intimidation